Hello, trading is closed on August 15th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early low. We got it. Tomorrow's pattern also has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We said if this decline were to keep going, you'd have to gap under these lows, which didn't happen. And I said if you dropped under these lows without the gap, any drop would retrace. Didn't mean it had to happen today, but it did. MEJTs, ultimately higher price it would print, ultimately lower price it would print. Both of those things happen. That's already played out. Here was yesterday's chart. We tried fudging on the wave count, and that didn't work. I'm not clear you can count this as 5 waves down. It's really more fudging for me than I like. The implication is this drop isn't over unless there's some count there I'm missing. We said we have the early low, inverted cup and handle. Eventually you're going to have a higher price too. Bears needed to gap under the low to continue the decline. They didn't do it. Trying to find the end of this wave blue C. I don't see it yet. Doesn't mean it has to continue down tomorrow. We have a volume spike. It might be a higher one tomorrow, but if the volume drops, it increases the chance that it will give us at least a bounce of sorts. For people who like long-term trend lines going back to 2008, you can see where today's low stopped and yesterday's low too. Not the easiest calls for tomorrow. Here's what I have. You've hit this trend line so many times, eventually it'll break down. Doesn't mean you break down now. Pattern has the early low. Sentiment and volume indicators justify a rally, but breadth continues to decline. Wave count doesn't support the low of the drop being in. Sooner or later, going to keep dropping, and I still like 2740. It's negative on this pattern. Today's pattern, we couldn't close over the high. It's positive. We did close over all the lows. Commonest way to resolve this is to gap and promptly move outside the range. Next most common, of course, is to close a little change at the big move Monday. Tomorrow, either we gap and promptly overtake today's high or lower prices print. Doesn't necessarily mean you close lower, but in this environment, I give that the benefit of the doubt. Most likely, but not required, is gapping and promptly moving outside the open tomorrow. We have positive and negative indicators for the day, so we'll have to see for the open which one works out. But longer term, I don't think the drop's over, and that's today's call.